Maraming ganun eh.
What?
Diba?
What?
There's a lot of that YouTube.
There's a lot of YouTube.
There's a lot of kind of YouTube.
Kalye Lili. Video us.
Video.
And you.
Please you. I'll tell what I.
Yeah, if you're going to tell one side.
How?
How?
Jesus is out of the sky. I can see you in the southern skies. When the clouds parted, sun is shining through. Jesus, do you feel me when I was alive? And if I have nothing, at least I still have you. 5 miles away from, so far away from all we know. Jesus, can you feel me when I was alive? And if I'm asking you to be all that I need, just this decision and what I want, it may not be what I need, yeah. So tell me, how does it feel? How does it feel to be like you? I think you're mad, should be quiet. You never tell the truth. So tell me why should you do everything away? Things ever change. Come down now. Come down from your tower now. Come down now from your tower. Oh. This is Christian, the camera king. Hi. How about you?
I'm fine, keep the change, thank you.
How about you? How much is your age? 31. He's already 31. Laugh till you die.